Well, a nice trendy day in the market this morning to start off the week. I took some counter trend trades, which we're about to go over. So please sit back and enjoy the stream recap. Happy Monday. This is where we are at right now on the 5-minute charts. Just rejected VWAP around 8 o'clock. Kind of testing the top of the range right now on that. So we'll see if we bounce out of this and go make a new high at 65, or if we continue rolling over and break the lows at 800 for some more continued downside. We are opening up inside yesterday's value area range. Value area high is the green line, value area low is the red line. The yellow line is point of control where the most volume was conducted. We're opening up inside that green and red. A lot of times when we open up inside, we just kind of chop out until we test either the red or the green line. And then from there, we're either looking for a rotation or a bunch of strength for a clean breakout. But these are typically decent spots for rotations. We call them value. I call them value area rotations. I don't know if they have a true name or not. So that's kind of like the play that we're looking for. The true target would be, 89. But yeah, dumping into the market. We got a minute and a half left. ES opening up technically below value area as well. And yeah, we're going to see what happens. I'm definitely not wanting to long this right now. That's why I've been sitting on my hands, is because my brain is leaning short and that can be sketchy. No crazy blocks to the upside, most are to the downside. I'm going to take the short. 900, volume, psych level, bottom of the short-term range. If this pattern kind of holds, I would think that we would make new lows here. So kind of looking for a break of 77, which is also bottom of the range. I think if we break 77, we're actually rotating into VWAP for the most part. I'm putting my stop in here because I feel like if we bounce this, it's going to rip hard off volume. So I'm just like, this is basically a scratch free trade right now. I'm not really expecting it to do much. I'm like I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm stopped out. That's fine. Probably I could have taken the $100, but it's obviously not doing what I thought it was gonna do, which is the markets in a nutshell. But I thought that with us holding this volume like we were, without Delta really doing much, that we were going to actually get a nice little bounce. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. I also have a bunch of very interesting links down below in the description that you need to check out. My Instagram is down there at Trades by Matt. There's Top Step if you are interested in that. Check out those links. We got a wick test up here at 77 on the ES. NAS wick test currently at 900 again. So could probably get back in this thing, to be honest. I'm taking it. Just like, you can just kind of see that they're like trying to chug down at it, but and we still have all that stuff to the downside, but it's just now it's kind of just slowly grinding to the upside. The stop at 17.5, it's just above the prior high. So if we run that, then this thing's gonna take off, I think. There we go. Now it's kind of trying to move. I'm gonna go ahead and move this back down as well. It's just not worth it for me to have this thing run against me and then, push right back up. So I like this sort of slap on the ES. I want to see it really slap on the NAS also. It's trying. I'm gonna go and take that off, but I actually am truly happy with that. I'm happy with where I killed this first trade. I'm happy I got back in. I think it was like 10 points, potentially a downside movement there. Looks heavy. I think we rotate into VWAP, but I am very fine with catching some more of the move later on. I don't need to be greedy, like super greedy, right? That's still 16, 17 points or whatever I just locked in there, and I'm fine with that.